at the Tahoe. They got an F-250 over there. I don't know if they're selling these. But this is what I came to look at. They got the Jeep. They got an Audi A4 turbo. This one got black leather seats. I'm so jealous. Something is messed up by the gear, and mine is missing the armrest. You see right there, but that armrest is tore up right there. They must be cheaply made, because I always see a lot of them where they're messed up. What y'all think about this Audi? It looks pretty good. It's newer than mine, as you can see. It's a 2006. Some paint chipping right there. The lights look slicker than mine. It looks pretty good. It says 2006 Audi A4 private party range $2,777 to $4,842, and private party value $3,810. It looks good though. It got the sunroof. What y'all think about it? Looks pretty good. The work van over there. Yeah, but I don't know if I want. What's that, a leaf? Oh no, the window's messed up. I didn't notice that. They holding the window in with a stick. They might have had some tinted windows that peeled or something. They got some scratches on there. I didn't see those. Melting. It was pretty good though. Tags expired in May 17th. Some scratches. More scratches. A little dent right there. Must have satellite radio. I see somebody in a Hyundai Tiburon, a yellow one. I keep seeing those things everywhere. They're gone now. They were across the street. Yeah, I don't know if I want another Audi, you guys. I mean, what do you think? I mean, it depends on what they say is wrong with mine or what happens. But you know, when you get a used, I mean, it's any car, but you know, Audis are expensive to fix. So if you get a used one and it's messed up, you know, if you get a used one and it's messed up, or the previous owner didn't take care of it, then you know you're gonna run into some problems. And I don't know if that looks like the trunk is off. This is a repair shop, so it could have been repaired. Why does it look like there's a gap in the trunk? I'm not sure. The exhaust looks just like mine. Got the little toe thing right there, but I don't know. Somebody must have had an apartment. Yeah, they got a parking permit right there. But you know, when you talking about Audis, it's missing a speaker right there. When you're talking about, you know, oh, that's just for, they had a kid, they took the thing off for the car seat. When you're talking about Audis and stuff, you're talking about timing chains and things, or anything repaired, because there's a lot of electrical stuff in these cars. You know, it's a foreign vehicle, then you're talking about high price to repair. So I don't know if I would want another Audi. I do love the A6 though, the coupe and the TT. So I know you guys will see once my stop on the side of the road. I see this, they got all these cars over here. They got the box trucks on the ways. You know, I had to come over here and look at the Camaro. They got Virginia. Is it not for sale? I thought I sell for sale sign. I guess they not selling it. It's a stick, T-tops. Maybe they're not selling it. Cracked bumper. Oh no, I don't see no for sale sign. Maybe it's not for sale. It's just sitting here going down into the grass. Maybe they're not selling it. I guess not. They got a, why is the key just sitting right there on the top of it? Weird. There's just a key sitting there on top of it. Maybe they want somebody to steal the thing. How y'all guys doing today? Over here to look at some of these cars. 2007 Grand Marquis 5800 when we had one like this. I don't know if you guys can see inside. I got a, oh, that's just one of those billboard trucks. Okay, I was thinking it was a box truck. I need a box truck too. Shit. This is what I want to look at, the Skylark right here. That thing is mint. Good wheels. I don't know about the towel on the inside. The plaid seats. Plaid seats are not cute, but I'm cool with it. That thing is clean. That's honestly low mileage, 4,900, only 31,000 miles. It's a 1978 Buick Skylark. The only imperfection I see is right here on the door. But look at that thing. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. That thing is clean. It probably sounds pretty good too, fired up. Yeah. I love old cars. There's nothing like the classics, you guys. The exhaust comes out the side. Radial tires on there. There's nothing like a classic car. Like, yeah, some of them are big, but you'll never find anything like a classic car. Those things run forever. They run pretty good. They probably have some too much for those. The Volkswagen, I don't even want to start on the Volkswagen, you guys. Especially with my Audi being trash. I gotta go pick that thing up soon, and I'm gonna have to get the paper from the guy to see all the things that were wrong with it. Obviously, I saw that there was water coming in on the floor, so there was water damage. Can't remember everything. Definitely will let you guys know when I'm not worth fixing is what it all comes down to. Let me see, what else did he tell me? I think he said something like, I think oil had got into the transmission or something like that too. So that's never ever a good sign. So it's just figuring that out. That was just a waste of money. Kind of my fault because I just bought it and I didn't really check it out. Knew it wasn't running, but I should have, you know, I was just trying to find a project, and buying something like that for a project, not really good. I should have bought, like, you know, another little Nissan or maybe a Honda or Toyota or something like that. But hey, I bought it already, so ain't nothing I can do now. I'm just gonna try to sell it for parts or part it out, something like that, because it's not worth putting not another dollar into it, not another penny. I don't know if you guys can see the car. There's a classic car behind me. Can't really. Let me see. Let's see if I can get on the other lane. Oh dang it, they're turning, of course, as they're seeing it. But all right, we're gonna stop. We're gonna stop and look at some more cars. There's this old car I wanted to see. I can't catch it what it is from the road, but we're gonna go check it out. Okay, y'all, we're at the next location. They're closed, but I believe what they do over here is they fix cars to sell them. You see, they got Ford Thunderbird. I tried to win one of those off a Copart, but I missed it, so pretty much sucks. That they got a black one right there. It looks pretty good, a Mustang, and they got a white Camaro right there inside the fence. Got a Porsche SUV over there. But what I want to see is not the Subaru wagon, but this old Porsche right here. Yeah, it got the little surface rust. Nothing too serious. Got the battery in the trunk. The seats need some restoration. I see they've done some exhaust work down there. It's a little rough. It's a manual. Some surface rust spots coming on there. Definitely could use some good painting. I don't know what they're asking for. There's no sign in the window. I'm not interested in the Subaru. We'll go up here and look at this Porsche up here. Woo, it's hot. I'm gonna drive up here, you guys, so hang on. All right, y'all, they got the Ram 1500. 4x4 dual exhaust. It's a big horn for towing, but I want the 3500. Of course, Hemi 5.7 liter. Let's see. They're asking the 2012. Let's see, 93,000 miles. They're asking 15,900. That's not bad. Porsche, whatever your preference is calling it. I just say Porsche. So, Cayenne, let's see what they're asking for these. 44,440. It's a 2018, 35,650 miles on it. Bluetooth, backup camera, and all that. Looks like a big ass bug though. To me. What y'all think about it? The Cayenne, big ass bug. That's what I want. I think the Fox body in there, he's gonna be putting that up for sale soon. I think that's the one he told me about. This is where I seen the blue Fox body and the guy got it for cheap. Run and drive, $1,000. So, like the, I like the Corvette right there. I'm saying Corvette, the Camaro, yeah. All right, do stuff for awesome auctions. I'll catch y'all guys if I see any more cars here in a bit. Yo, it literally smells like a dead animal in here. I don't even know what this place is. I guess they fix cars. They're just sitting out here. I was wondering about this truck though, because it's just sitting here. It's got a rust hole and stuff in it, but it'd be good for towing. It's Ford. I don't got my shoes on, so I ain't trying to walk all up in the grass. It smells like a dead animal. Got some big tires on it. Y'all, I'm not gonna go all up in the grass. Ain't got no for sale sign on there. Something smells like it's dead over this joint though. The bed looks rusty. It'd be good for towing. It's a 350 and for, you know, doing units and stuff like that. Pretty beat up though. It'd be good for all that type of stuff. And hauling some trash to the dump. I see a bunch of cars sitting back there. I'm gonna be nosy. Hold on. We're gonna drive back here and be nosy. Go up in here, turn around. Anytime I see cars, I like, ooh, yeah, I get excited.
In the air.
I get excited and I have to go be nosy. No tags on that. We got a wrecked Mustang over here, a Honda Odyssey. I ain't gonna go too far up in there. When nobody try to shoot at me in there. Got Tahoe over there, back there. Just go all the way around this shit. Look, these warehouses just like they're being wasted. Like, man, I could really use one. Like, look, I want to know who rents these out. You got cars just sitting back here.
Night.
I have bathrooms because I see a 40 potty just sitting over there.
What?
Nissan, what the heck are they called again? It's the one sitting on flats, nothing behind the Odyssey. The Nissan Quest, just sitting here. I need a van, that's the thing. Like, who sells these cars? Yeah, the Quest.
Doesn't even do it actually.
I don't know. They got a boat over there. I think that's something to do with other people. Huh. I don't know. Like, it's a shame they got trucks sitting up here. I guess it's for sale, but no way to contact anybody. It's weird.